How to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up TikTok application in your mobile device. Then simply tap on the plus icon right over here. Now inside here, simply tap on this photo gallery and then select a couple of photos from your gallery. After that, simply tap on next. Now as you can see, I have photo slide feature and the photos are playing with the swipe animation. But if you don't have this feature or it's not working, simply head back to your profile. Then tap on this three line icon. Then simply tap on settings and privacy. Scroll below. Then tap on free up space. Now clear the cache and download. This might fix any issues caused by old files. After that, head back to your home screen, open up settings. Scroll below, tap on general. Tap on iPhone storage. Then search for TikTok and then simply tap onto it. Now tap on upload app. Then tap on upload app again. This will clear unnecessary data while keeping the app installed. After uploading, simply tap on reinstall, wait a few seconds and TikTok will be reinstalled fresh and up to date. That's it. Once you open TikTok again, you should see the photo swipe feature working perfectly. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.